Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
Before we get to the lightning round, I want to encourage you to join us tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. for our monthly investing club meeting. We will hit on all the trust holdings and make a plan on how to handle a kind of volatile market. You don't want to miss this one. If you are a member, and I hope you are, I'll see you there. If you are not and you want to join, just go to cnbc.com/join the club or point your phone at this QR code. And now it is time. It is time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy, time for the lightning round, everybody. Let's start with Joe Ditt in California. Joe Ditt.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for having me on your show today. I'm a long-time listener and fan of yours.
Thank you.
And I was wondering what your thoughts are on the ticker BXC, Blue Link Holdings. With inflation and interest rates increasing, should I hold, sell, or buy more?
I think the stock completely anticipated that rates would be increasing, and so therefore I would actually be a buyer, not a seller of that stock. Let's go to Ryan in Virginia. Ryan.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I'm a first-time caller and a long-time fan. I want to know what's your take on Digital Ocean Holdings, DOC10.
You know, look, we looked at this company, and there was another time when it would have rallied, I think, because it's a company that had good growth. But we're not recommending companies that aren't making money. We just don't think that they're conducive at all to the Bulls winning. I think those are not what you want to own. Let's go to Bob in Florida. Bob.
Hey, booyah, Cramer.
Booyah, Bob.
Thank you for taking my call.
Absolutely.
Hey, you helped me great about 4 years ago with the exact same situation.
Okay.
I have a stock that spun off another company, and I need to know what your thought is on holding, adding to it, or dumping it. The stock that spun off is Douglas Elliman. Symbol DOUG.
Okay, that's a company. Stock's down 40%. It's a profitable company. It sells at a ridiculously low price-to-earnings ratio. I'm on board. I'm on board with that stock. Let's go to John in California. John.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Absolutely. What's up?
My whole family's a big fan of yours. Can I say a quick shout-out just to my wife, 3 sons, daughter, and the grandkids?
Okay.
And the symbol is WCN.
Oh, man, I got to tell you, I like Waste more than MWM. I think that Waste is a better stock to own. That's the one I would buy. Let's go to Brian in North Carolina. Brian.
How we doing, Jim? How you doing?
I am doing well, Brian. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good, What do you think about Poshmark?
Poshmark? Okay, we are not in favor of companies that are losing money hand over fist, even if we like management. Let's go to Malon in New Jersey. Malon.
Hey, Jim. It's Malin, by the way.
Malin, I'm sorry. How you doing?
That's okay. Big booyah from Point Pleasant, New Jersey.
Jenkinson's, here I come. What's up? It's my daughter lives.
What do you think about Cleveland Cliffs?
The stock's had such a spike. Let's take a breather on that one. I mean, it's just up so much that I worry that rates can't stay this high. I think rates are going to peak in steel and they can come down, and that's why I like some of the companies that are buyers of steel and not sellers. Let's go to Norman in California. Norman.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
For a while, I've had a position on an infrastructure company that builds highways, airports, subways, and other major projects. But I'm in the house of pain. How do you feel about TPC, Tudor Perini?
Well, I was listening to Barry Sternlicht today, this morning on Squawk, and he was saying, listen, we're going to have this giant infrastructure bill, and the money hasn't even hit yet. And when it does, it's going to be amazing. It will be amazing for Tudor Perini. So I do not want to sell Tudor Perini down here. The company makes a lot of money. Let's go to Jim in New York. Jim.
Hey, hi, Jim.
Hi, Jim.
Analyst ratings have an average target price of $51 for Bank of America, which would make me happy. Should I hold on to it or should I get rid of it?
All right. Now, by the way, great article about Brian Moynihan the other day in the Times and how many great things he's done. All right. Now, this is the crux of the market. I've been confused. I've been saying, listen, it's a bull market, all right, but tech is not good. The group that is going to determine the ultimate direction of this market is the banks. And if Bank of America does well, then this market's going higher. And I think it will. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.